In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference has called for complete shutdown tomorrow on Friday against the surge in Indian state terrorism. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that the Kashmiris would forcefully register their protest against the massacre of youth and destruction of residential houses by Indian troops in the past 2 weeks in Shopian, Islamabad, and Pulwama districts. The spokesman urged the United Nations to take notice of the worst human rights situation in Jammu and Kashmir. On the other hand, Indian police arrested All Parties Hurriyat Conference Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar in Srinagar today. He has been sent to Central Jail, Srinagar. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman, while condemning his arrest, said that Hurriyat leadership cannot be intimidated into submission through such cowardly acts. Meanwhile, people staged a forceful protest demonstration in Srinagar against ruthless beating up of locals, including a blind woman, by brutal Indian troops in Negin area. The protesters, including men and women, told the media that the troops barged into residential houses and thrashed inmates. The participants of the protest shouted slogans against the Indian atrocities in the territory. An editorial published in Indian illegally occupied Kashmir-based web portal Kashmirwala, while decrying crippling restrictions imposed on media freedom, asked New Delhi to reconsider its cash for kill policy that works as an incentive behind gruesome human rights violations by the Indian forces in Kashmir. The editorial advised the forces to avoid the acts worthy of reporting, instead of booking journalists under anti-terror laws, summoning and interrogating them for their reporting. A report released by Kashmir Media Service today said that India and its agencies are exploiting a few stray incidents of violence on Monday to malign Pakistan and its institutions. It maintained that New Delhi is using its paid stooges on the social media for Pakistan bashing without looking into the appalling law and order situation inside India. The students from Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir pursuing medical and engineering courses in various colleges in Pakistan have said that the Indian immigration officials stopped them from returning to their colleges. Over 40 students had come for vacation to Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir in January and February this year. However, they are not allowed to return to their colleges on one pretext or the other. A delegation of Tehreek-e-Muzahamath visited Hurriyat leader Master Ghulam Nabi Wani at a hospital in Srinagar and inquired about his health. The Jammu and Kashmir People's League termed the unresolved Kashmir dispute as the main cause of strained relationship between India and Pakistan. National Conference General Secretary Ali Muhammad Sagar, addressing party workers in Srinagar, said that the Narendra Modi-led Indian government is on a mission to disenfranchise the native population of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir with its selective policies and a coterie of officers appointed by Modi regime.